Hi there, my name is Dr. Karla Dhungana Sainju, and I'm a faculty member here in the Criminology program at Ontario Tech University. If you're watching this video, it means that you're interested in our Criminology program, or you may be parents of someone who's interested in our program. I'd love to tell you a little bit more about how our program stands out from the rest. First, you should know that we have more criminologists in our program than most universities in Canada. This means that we offer a more robust and larger offering of criminology courses compared to some of the other programs. It also means that you'll be learning from some of the most renowned criminologists here in Canada who have a broad range of research areas and areas of focus. Our professors and faculty focus on everything from cybercrime, bullying, policing, corrections, community corrections, re-entry, homelessness, mental health issues. Again, a really broad range of issues and interests. This means that students really get to capitalize on this and that they get a broad range of classes and course offerings, as I mentioned, but also they get to focus and concentrate on their areas of interest and things that they may be passionate about. We also try to make sure that we use different methods of learning because we recognize that everybody learns differently and at a different pace. We include options for students to be able to learn outside of the classroom through experiential learning experiences like the practicum experience and internship experiences. We have a really high rate of funding and research productivity here, which means the students also get access to cutting edge and leading research results. Another thing that truly makes us stand out is our smaller class sizes. Our class sizes are small, which means that students really get to know each other, but also get to know their professors. They get to know how their professors got to where they are in their careers and really get to be inspired from them and build relationships with them. Along with the fact that we provide the practicum and internship experience and the one-on-one relationship students get to build with their professors, it really allows them to have a strong path forward when they're ready to go out into the real world. A degree in criminology from Ontario Tech means that it opens a broad range of job opportunities for students. We have a lot of students that will go into policing, parole, probation, corrections, but also students who go into the government sector or the nonprofit sector. We have some students who may go into social work. Again, I hope you start to understand that there's a long list of job opportunities available, but also there's a lot of transferable skills that students can learn from our program. I encourage you to find out more about our program. Please reach out to us. We'd love to tell you more, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised about all the options we have available for you. Thanks so much for your time.